What's up, gamers? I'm playing Minecraft, and so let's play it. And also leave a like and comment and subscribe and and don't forget to like or you'll get good luck. So this is okay. Now let's go here and boom, it's here now. So let's play, and I'm just gonna do the world. My world is survival, so I don't know why is it even survival. So it's coming now, and so like and subscribe to my Roblox videos and my real life videos. Means I have like 3 videos together, like matching the same in my account and on YouTube. So leave a like and comment and subscribe, or kidnap all your fruits. Wait, this is creative. How can this become survival? This is weird. Okay. Bro, let's go to our inventory. I'm playing on Nintendo, so I don't know. I'm just gonna, well, creeper. Oh man. Let me just kill this chicken, bro. Hey. Oh no, I'm shifting. I think I can do the world record and just speed run. Hey yo, thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna fly. Do you know what I was doing? I was doing Dream's boat clutch. Let's see if this works. No, we need a boat. This is too hard to craft it that Dream done. Bruh, suck. I'm bad at doing this. You gotta be kidding me! Do it quickly! Okay. This is impossible. But I can do it on computer. Computer's the easiest. Okay, let's do boat. If I speedrun it on, if I was speedrunning right now on my Nintendo, I would like it would become impossible. I would never defeat the Ender Dragon. Like Dream, he can't do it too on. I don't know if he can do it on Nintendo, but he 100% can do it on a this. He can do it so like good. He's so good at computer. Okay, I'm clicking it and going up, going up, going up, going up. Done. Now guess what I'm doing now? We put the crafting table, and then we drop this, and then when they say bye Dream, and then they like go like this. Oh my god, what? Crazy. So, bruh, okay, done. I'm playing on Nintendo. You can see it's like a Switch. It's not a mobile phone. I'm ready to do this. If I don't do this, that's it. I'm done with the video. Wait a sec. Oh. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Bruh. Gotta be kidding me. I'm so close. Now done. No, we're done. Oh, I found a lava pit in over there. So, ready? Bye, Dream. No. Impossible. No. I need to be in survival for this. I didn't die because I'm in creative. You can see this. So, we need survival. Time to drop this again because I suck. Bruh. Okay. Done. Ready? Oh, let me just do this. Okay, so this was like one of the hardest clutch. If you craft, then you fall. That's a way harder. Nobody can do it except for Dream. Okay, I'm ready. Let's do our thing, our game mode. Okay. Here, let's get slash game mode survival. Please, you gotta be kidding me. Is it done? No. Oh, I didn't do. Oh shit. Oh. Whatever. I said. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go here. Game mode, game mode, game mode, game mode. This is way easier because we need now survival. Okay, done. Now we do this. Done. Are you ready for this? Go. What? No, oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. There's a part 2 video, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and see you guys next time. And don't forget to like.